In the heart of late 19th century Zimbabwe, a powerful voice of resistance rose against the weight of colonial rule. Her name was Mbuya Nehanda, a spirit medium who channeled the courage of her ancestors. The people whispered in awe, saying she spoke with the spirit and was chosen to guide them to freedom. "Our land cries out," Nehanda declared, her voice echoing with ancient authority. "The invaders take our cattle, our freedom, our dignity. The ancestors have spoken. We must fight." Inspired by her words, she and fellow medium Kaguvi led a fierce rebellion. They fought not just with spears, but with the unyielding strength of their heritage. Though eventually captured and sentenced to death, Nehanda's defiance never wavered. Her final prophetic words were, "My bones shall rise again." She was executed in 1898, but her spirit lived on. Decades later, her prophecy came true. In 1980, Zimbabwe gained its independence, and the legend of Mbuya Nehanda became an eternal symbol of freedom. Her bones had indeed risen.